Assalamu alaikum class 4. Today we're coming towards creative writing. Now if you open your book at page 28, please open your book. Good. And you will see, otherwise look at the board behind me. Creative writing. Now let's see what it says. Creative writing. Plastic bags create lots of pollution. People throw the bags out in the open. These plastic bags then remain outside for years. What if we started using brown bags? Paper bags. Paper bags are decomposed in a few days. Now, you're going to have to write an essay. But before you write the essay, tell me, why should we not use plastic bags? I want you all to, one at a time. Good, well done. Let's bring our ideas together, one at a time. Why should we stop using plastic? Very good. It does not decompose itself. It is harmful. Now, it's harmful in what ways? Very good. It's harmful because it doesn't decompose. It's harmful for the animals on the land, like cattle, good, or cats and dogs. The handles can choke their necks. It's also harmful if it's thrown into the ocean because of our sea life. Very good. What would happen if plastic was thrown in the sea? Very good. The fish or small fish or any other sea animal can get caught inside the plastic bag. Even a big whale. What would happen if the whale got it? Yes, they could choke and die. Good. So, now tell me, why is plastic destroying the ocean? Exactly. If we throw the plastic in anywhere, it goes in the ocean. Animals and fish are trapped in the plastic. Very good. So, first of all, tell me, what are you going to give? Can you see the essay map? I want you all to think of a good title. Plastic no more. Very good. Say no to plastic. What else? Plastic pollution. Okay, that's nice. Plastic pollution. We'll use that then. Okay, now we've got the title. You've given me the introduction. Now I want the body. Give me the ideas. Why should we say no to plastic? Good. Well done. The thing is, when we see plastic lying around, how do you feel? It's an eyesore. आँख को बुरा लगता है ना, कचरे के ढेर पे प्लास्टिक रखा हुआ है तो आपकी कैसा लगेगा? आपको अच्छा लगता है? नो, सो इट्स एन आईसोर। आईसोर का मतलब आँख को देखने में अच्छा नहीं लगता। सो व्हाट एल्स? It is not healthy for the environment. Very good. What else? Good. Very good. Listen to what your friend just said. If you wanted, we could burn it. But that is not a solution. That is even worse. Why is burning plastic worse? Who can tell me? Yes. Very good. आप अगर आग जलाएंगी प्लास्टिक को तो क्या होगा? धुएं में उठ के सारा। Very good. All the smoke will go up to the sky and it will ruin the atmosphere. Good. And it is also very toxic. Good. क्योंकि हम देखें पहले सुनते थे ना, टायर जला दिए, ये हो गया, हंगामा हो गया, टायर जला दिए। That is not good. Why? Tires भी अगर कोई जलाता है, what are they made of? Rubber, plastic. कितनी गंदी बू होती है प्लास्टिक की जलने की और रबर की? Yes? So, this is harmful for the ozone layer. Yes, you know that. ये आपने साइंस में पढ़ा. Very good. So, use your science ideas. Okay, yes. Very good. Excellent. जी बिल्कुल सही. तो to stop using plastic, use paper bags. पेपर बैग्स नहीं है, पेपर बैग से आपको लगता है ओहो चीज़ें गिर रही हैं, सो व्हाट डू यू डू? इट डजंट मैटर. जूट का बैग ले लें आप, टोट बैग्स ले लें. पुराने ज़माने में पता नहीं आपको याद हो, मम्मीज़ एंड डैडीज़ एक थैला लेके जाते थे, याद है कपड़े का, या तो वो बुनी हुई एक टोकरी होती थी या कुछ ऐसी, मुझे भी थोड़ा थोड़ा याद है ऐसा. यस, सो उसमें क्या फ़ायदा था? सब कुछ एक जगह, एक महफूज वे ऑफ टेकिंग योर गुड्स होम. वेरी गुड. सो we've done all the brainstorming. You've given me wonderful ideas. Ozone layer, toxic fumes, brilliant. Now, tomorrow inshallah, we are going to do what? What are we going to do? Good. We are going to sequence it, put it in order. So, what you need to do today is go through the video, look at it, listen to what all your friends have said, make your own notes, okay? And then tomorrow we shall sequence, inshallah. Okay? Allah Hafiz.